Write first term A and common difference D and find next two terms from given below arithmetic progression. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 problems are there. So from these 4 problems we have to find first term A and common difference D, and then we have to write next two terms. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are given. Now we have to write fifth and sixth term. Here also 4 terms are given. So we have to write fifth and sixth, and there also fifth and sixth, here also fifth and sixth. So in 4 problems there are 4 terms are there, and we have to write next fifth and sixth term in these problems. Okay. Now see here, take first one. So here first term A1 is equal to 1 by 2, and we have to write a common difference. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay. So what is A2 here? So this is first one, this is second one, so this is second term 1 and minus A1, so first term. So 1 minus half is equal to half, so common difference is 1 by 2. So next two terms, that is next two terms, that is A5 and A6. So A5 is nothing but A plus 4D, that is 1 by 2 plus 4 into common difference 1 by 2. So how much it is? 1 by 2 into this is 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. So it is 2 and a half. So here first term half, second term 1 and 1 and a half 2. So next one is 2 and a half. So directly we can write fifth term as 2. So fifth, okay. So fourth term plus D. So fourth term is 2 and common difference is 1 by 2. We can write 2 and a half. Now sixth term is fifth term plus common difference. So what is fifth term? This is the fifth term, 2 and a half plus common difference is 1 by 2, it is equal to 3. Okay. So these are the next two terms, so fifth term and sixth term. Now come to here 4, 10, 16, 22, these are the terms. So here first term A1 is equal to 4 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is what is A2 here? 10 and A1 is 4. Now 10 minus 4 is equal to, so common difference is 6. Now next terms, next two terms, that is fifth term and sixth term. So fifth term is fourth term plus D. So what is fourth term? First, second, third, fourth term 22 and common difference is 6, which is equal to 28, and the sixth term is fifth term plus D. So 28 plus 6 is equal to 34. Again see here, so first term A1 is equal to x and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 2x minus x is equal to x. So next two terms, a5 is equal to fourth term plus common difference d. So fourth term is 4x and d is x, so this is 5x. Similarly, sixth term 6x. Now see this, okay. So in this first term a1 is equal to 25, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. So what is a2? 22 minus a1 25, so which is equal to minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. Now next two terms. So fifth term, what is fifth term? Okay, so fourth term I plus d. So fourth term is 16 and the common difference is minus 3, which is equal to 13. And sixth term is fifth term plus d. So fifth term is 13 and common difference is 3, that is equal to plus 10. So these are the two terms, okay. See here, which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find common difference D and write the next three terms. So here these are the four questions. So among these, which are AP, which are arithmetic progression, that we have to find, and next we have to find the common difference and next three terms of this series, okay, this one and this one, this one. If they are AP, we have to find the common difference and the next three terms. If that is not AP, just we stop there only. Now see this first one. So here, so how we can write, how we can justify whether the given series is AP or not? If just to find difference between two consecutive terms, this second term and first term. So a2 minus a1 is equal to 4 minus 2. So this is second term and this is first term. So second term minus first term, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Again third term minus fourth term, a3 minus a2, that is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, and fourth term minus third term. So fourth term, this is fourth term and this is third term, so 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So here this is first one, this is second one and this is third one. So from first, second and third, a2 minus a1 not is equal to a3 minus a2, and this is not is equal to a4 minus a3. Therefore the given series is not AP. The given series not AP because the difference between two consecutive number is not same. So difference between these two is 2 and difference between these two is 4 and difference between these two is 8. So this is there is no common difference. There is the difference between two consecutive number is different. Therefore this is not a arithmetic progression. Now see this, okay. So a2 minus a1. So what is a2? 5 by 2 minus 2. So 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 and half, and minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 and half minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. And a3 minus a2. What is a3? 3. Minus a2. What is a2? 2 and half. Okay. So 3 minus 2 and half is equal to 1 by 2, and a4 minus a3. So what is a4? This is a4, 7 by 2 minus 3, third term. So this is first, second, third. So this is third term. Now this 7 by 2 can be written as 3 and half and minus this 3. So 3 and half minus 3 is 1 by 3. So for this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, so a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. So therefore the given series forms an AP. The given series forms an AP. Okay. Now next three terms. So next three terms. So this 2 and this is 2 and half, 3 and half. Next 4 and half and 5. So these are the next three terms of this arithmetic progression. Now see here this. So here this is first term, this is second term, then this is third term, this is fourth term. So a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. Okay. So then open the bracket, minus 3.2. So minus of minus plus 1.2. So this is minus 3.2 and this is 1.2, which is equal to minus 2.0. So this is the difference. Now a3 minus a2. Now this is a3 and this is a2. So a3 5.2 minus 5.2 minus of 3.2. Open the bracket, minus 5.2. So minus of minus plus 3.2. So this is minus and this is positive value, this is negative value. So difference is minus 2.0. And a4 minus a3. So what is the a4? This is minus 7.2 minus 5.2, which is equal to minus 7.2 minus of minus plus 5.2, and difference of this is minus 2.0. So this is number 1, number 2 and this is number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. Therefore the given series forms an AP. The given series forms an arithmetic progression. So next three terms. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth term. So fourth term plus D, which is equal to, what is fourth term? Minus 7.0 plus minus 2.0. So this is the common difference, which is equal to minus 9.2. And sixth term, sixth term is equal to fifth term plus common difference. So what is the fifth term? Minus 9.2 plus common difference minus 2.0, which is equal to minus 11.2. And the next term, seventh term, is equal to sixth term plus common difference, which is equal to minus 11.2 plus minus 2.0, which is equal to minus 13.2. So these are the next three terms of this arithmetic progression. Okay. Now see this one. Okay. So again check whether this is the arithmetic progression or not. So first a2 minus a1, that is minus 6 minus of minus 10. So this one minus this one, which is equal to minus 6 minus of minus plus 10, which is equal to plus 4. And again a3 minus a2. So this one minus this one, so minus 2 minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 2 minus of minus plus 6, which is equal to the difference of these two is plus 4. Again a4 minus a3, so fourth term minus third term, so fourth term minus third term, so fourth term is 2 and third term is this minus 2, so 2 minus of minus plus 2, which is equal to plus 4. So this is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. So from first, second and third, so a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. So this is happening. Therefore the given series, this number series, the given series forms an arithmetic progression. Now next three terms. Next three terms. So this is first, second, third, fourth. Now fifth term. Fifth term is equal to fourth term plus common difference. So what is the fourth term? 2. And common difference is, what is common difference? Plus 4, which is equal to 6. And next term, sixth term is fifth term plus common difference. So fifth term is 6 and common difference is 4, so which is equal to 10. And seventh term is equal to sixth term plus common difference. So sixth term is 10 and common difference is 4, which is equal to 14. So these are the next three terms of this arithmetic progressions. Okay, so in this way we can solve the problems very easily.